DB. Told you that before on the track that I murdered with my homie Lego. It's funny how we murdered a track called Stay Alive, and now we come through until they arrive. They know the moment is old. I be killing these beats, I be all in my zone, smoking weed and I'm blown. Yeah, I'm going into a different place. When I'm killing these beats, it's feeling like I'm being out of space. Cause these astronaut niggas crowding my space, so they better get out of my way. Cause I'm killing every type of people, you feeling what I say. I turn these rappers to the K while I'm holding up the K, and I'm coming from the K. They know it, I be flowing like JG's a poet. Told you that I come from Clarkston, my bars are monstrous. What do you wanna say about the conscious? It's conscious. When I come towards these bars, I got concepts, and they know it, I'm flowing. Come on, where can I go in? Feeling like I'm glowing, cause you know I'm stimulated. Told you about the past and the pictures that I penetrated. Open up the ventilation when I'm coming through with all the bars, I'm just meditating. Yeah, I'm on another level, I be elevated. Yeah, I'm on another level, I be levitating. Feeling like I come through with the bars, while I go on another level, while all these haters